Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out at midnight, performed prayer in the masjid, and people started performing the prayer in his lead. In the morning, the people talked of it, and comparatively more people gathered than before. Next night, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out, and the people performed the prayer in his lead. Again, the people discussed it in the morning. On the third night, a lot many people thronged in the masjid. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, and the people performed the prayer in his lead. On the fourth night, the masjid could not accommodate the visitors, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not come to them. The people whereupon started uttering prayer, prayer. But Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not come until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to perform the morning prayer. After performing the morning prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam attended to the people, recited the article of testimony, Kalimai Shahadat, and then said, "To proceed, last night your state was not hidden from me, but I feared lest the nocturnal prayer, Taraweeh, should be made obligatory for you, and you will feel yourselves incapable of performing it." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1781.